Don't scroll past this video because I have a vital information for you. Yes, November is about to end, and obviously 2025 is about to end. But I want to ask a question. Have you done a medical checkup this year? Have you done some vital tests you're supposed to do this year? Because I bet you might be looking healthy, but sometimes inwardly you're not okay. So there are some tests that you should do on a yearly basis, or in by right, it's supposed to be monthly. But if there's no money, you can do it 3 monthly. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you 5 tests you should be doing on a monthly basis to help check what's going on with your health. So don't screw. Make sure you watch till the end because you're going to be learning one thing or the other. So number 1 test that you should do is your blood pressure measurement. Hypertension is a silent killer. It has no alarm. It has no signal. Sometimes you can be looking so healthy and the next minute you're dropping dead. Because why? Your blood pressure is so high that your heart could not take it anymore. So it shuts down. So you should always check your blood pressure. It's not expensive and it's not something that you must go to the moon to do. Anywhere you can do it. You can do it in your neighborhood, in your nurses, in the chemists around you. Anywhere there that there is this fig and there is a trained person, just do it. At least highest 1,000 naira, because it's going to rule out heart problem, strokes. So many things are linked to hypertension, and I know you wouldn't want that for yourself. So I urge you today to go and check your blood pressure now. Number 2 test that you should always do is your fasting blood sugar. Yes, diabetes is everywhere. Diabetes is so rampant, even in young people these days. So I urge you to always check your fasting or random blood sugar. It's also very inexpensive. 500 naira, 1,000 naira. Because diabetes is something that affects the entire system in your body. And diabetes is so wicked that it will eat every organ in your body. To the extent that even a little sore could lead to amputation of your legs. So I know you wouldn't want that. So why not just spend that 1,000 naira and go and check your fasting blood sugar today, to help checkmate what is going on. Is your sugar level high? Is your sugar level low? So please check your blood sugar level today. Number 3 test you should do is your lipid profile. Lipid profile is a test that checks the kind of how high your levels of lipids are. Your cholesterol, your triglycerides, they begin to help to check if they are high or if they are low. High is bad because it can lead to heart problem, because it blocks the vessels that help to pump blood around your body. And once it blocks, it will cause problem. So you should try and check your lipid profile. You go to the lab and tell them you want to do a lipid profile test. They will take your blood and they will do within some days, 1 day, 2 days, your result is out. You check, it doesn't kill and it's not expensive also. So spare that money and go and check your lipid profile today. Number 4 is complete blood count. Complete blood count is the one that they check your packed cell volume, they check your hemoglobin level, they check everything that involves your blood to know if you're having anemia, if you're having infection, if there is any blood disease or blood disorder, they will detect. And the earlier you detect that, the better, because that is also not good. By the time you're anemic and you not treat it, before you know, you get into anemic heart failure or other complication of anemia, which is not good. And it's also very inexpensive too. Go to the lab, they take your blood and they do the test. It's either full blood count or complete blood count. The last but not the least is urinalysis. Yes, urinalysis is also very simple and it helps to check if you also have infection, check your kidneys and other organs. If you're having any urinary tract infection or anything, any infection at all, that one, they just take your urine, your early morning urine, and you just do. Also not expensive. I think it's 1,000 naira or so. So all these tests that I've listed now, they're not even up to like 20,000 naira. So why not spare that money and go and do those tests? It will save your life. It will save complications and it will give you a healthy outstand. So please, these 5 tests before the end of this year, 2025, make sure you do it. Especially your blood pressure, because blood pressure, like I said, hypertension is a silent killer. That actor Odira, allegedly he had hypertension, but that man was looking healthy, but at the end of the day he dropped dead. That's how so many persons walk healthy and looking smart, but you see them slump and die because their hypertension is uncontrolled. They didn't even know that they're hypertensive. Some of them know though, and they are not compliant with their drugs. So please, if you came across this video, it's for a reason. Make sure you do these 5 tests that I've just listed and thank yourself later. This is Dr. Comfort, and this is Health Talk with Dr. Comfort. Do have a lovely day. Bye.